So you can see this is a triangle and you can see a plus sign also inside this triangle. So in this video we are going to show you how to create this symbol, that is a plus sign in triangle symbol, using keyboard shortcut. So for doing this I open my Microsoft Word in Windows computer. So for creating this symbol, that is plus sign in triangle, we are using the keyboard shortcut Alt 10809. So you must go to your computer keyboard and first you must press the numlock key. So you have enabled the number lock. Now you can see the alt key. You must press this alt key. You do not remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time you must type here 10809. So after typing 10809, then only you can release your finger from this alt key. So if you do like that, then you can see that we have created plus sign in triangle symbol. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.